Dear audience, we are very happy for being in the Political Science and Public Administration Symposium. And now our topic is with Professor Dr. Valentin Vasilev is participatory experiences of European capital of cultures of cities. And our example is Plovdiv example. So our presentation is composed about the introduction side and the importance of European capital of culture, Plovdiv history, Plovdiv experience as European capital of culture, and conclusions. So this title began in Athens as the European city of culture by the European Union, and then changed as the European culture, capital culture. Then a few European cities every year selected and organizes festival, various arts and cultural events through the year, and also has the opportunity to receive funding for the European Union for presentation and renovation projects of its historical cultural venues within the scope of this process. Thus, while the city becomes a center of attraction in terms of tourism, a social, cultural, and urban transformation is taking place. So you can see the evaluation of European Capital of Culture initiatives. In the decision-making process of member states, cities that are important in terms of their historical values and where the opportunity for promotion can be advances are also selected. So the capital of culture process allows city residents to engage the cultural interaction with participants from different countries in terms of art, culture, and tourism. It increased the international recognition of the city, especially in terms of textiles, works, art, and gastronomy. So in 2019, Bulgaria experienced for the first time as the Plovdiv is chosen as the European capital of culture. As city within the deep-rooted historical heritage, Plovdiv is increased in recognition during the European capital of culture process, and restoration have been carried out in these historical areas. The aim of this study is to investigate the effects of public participation in the process of Plovdiv European Capital of Culture. Literature research and field visits were conducted within the scope of this study. So you can see from the map the importance of European Capital of Culture and the other cities you can see. Also Istanbul has been. And this is the chronological event calendar of at first Athens, Florence, and also in the year 2000 was called the Millennium Year and treated a special way in order to emphasize the enduring heritage and contribution of European cities towards culture and civilization. Because of that, 9 locations were chosen, including 2 cities, as states that were to join the European member. So you can see. And you can see the other cities also in Istanbul you can see and in Plovdiv Matera together with Italian city Plovdiv event has been made it and you can see all the and these are the similar concepts and events and now with the Vasiliev we are talking about the history of Plovdiv.
Thank you for this great opportunity to be part of this amazing Congress. And thank you for this very interesting theme with working together with you. Plovdiv, in Plovdiv, it's my university, Higher School of Security and Economics. Plovdiv is the first Bulgarian city chosen to be the European capital of culture. 20 years after the city was a host of the Month of Culture, 1999, we celebrate the most prestigious cultural initiative of the European Union. Plovdiv's status as a vibrant center for art and culture and the modern European map as reaffirmed 10 years later. By the legacy of European Capital of Culture under the motto Together, the Plovdiv 2019 Foundation has been fostering the city's creative spirit for 10 years. It is a vital part of the city's cultural and social life and serves as a basis of the entire team. Being the European capital of culture is a unique achievement of Bulgaria that offer fresh chances to realize the city's potential, more worldwide exposure, and a new outlook on Bulgarian culture overall. The 2019 Plovdiv European Capital of Culture program also features events and activities in Bulgarian South Central region. Being one of the oldest cities in Europe, Plovdiv takes great joy in its long history. The city's and its residents' identity has been impacted by the remains of ancient layers. The largest obstacle and the main force behind its development has always been the interaction of culture, communities, and groups. This is more than just a way for us, a community, to become more conscious. It is our goal to make culture available to everyone so that it may improve the value of our lives and make our city more vibrant and appealing. In Plovdiv, the European Capital of Culture project inspires the city, lifts its heavy culture layers, explores its positive and negative aspects, and highlights its issues and feelings pride. Its recognitions as responsibilities and significance marks a turning point for the thousands of artists of cultural scene representatives involved, as well as the city's general public atmosphere. The new ideas of urban spaces created through art and the great broadened perspective on culture. It has become more dominant in recent years than politics and the typical gossip. The project itself is carried out as a kind of artistic essence, a long and complex process that reaches in various forms to each of the residents of Plovdiv, as well as the quiet remote points in the South Central region, and leaves significant memories and the new experiences for many. Primary obstacles controlling the city administration were associated with the absence of expertise and customs in carrying out a project in this magnitude. A new organizational environment and culture had to be established as a part of the planning and phasing in the capital of culture, which also involved using best practice from other cities as a standard. Naturally, improving the city's vital infrastructure, including the state of the important and famous cultural center, Kapana, was a crucial component of the preparations. Thank you.
Thank you. And our presentation is shown also the photographs from the events of Plovdiv.
Yes, it's great.
Yes. And we are very happy for making this part and taking a part of this symposium. And thank you, all the audience. Thank you.